What brought me to physical therapy? I tried to do a long-legged, one-legged broad jump, and the tip of my toe hit a curb that was hidden, and I ruptured an Achilles tendon. Number one, it's a nice facility, excellent layout, good equipment. The staff is friendly, very helpful, have a good attitude, and I got good instruction on how to exercise my foot and get full mobility back. Yeah, you shouldn't let it, you should go to physical therapy just to keep active and stay in motion, because just being sedentary after an accident, it'll probably get worse. Your tissues aren't going to heal as quickly. With this physical therapy, you get your blood flowing, you get your core strength back, and your healing process is much faster.